This is how you make brown butter sweet potato pie. This is not my recipe. This is Divas Can Cook recipe. I doubled it. I love her stuff. Take some sweet potatoes, pierce them with a fork, roast them in the oven at 425 for about 45 minutes or until they're tender. Take a cup of unsalted butter, melt it, let it foam up over medium heat. Keep stirring it until you get those brown bits and it smells nutty. You're going to pour this to the side, let it cool. Keep those brown bits, you need them. After your roasted sweet potatoes cool, you're going to peel them. You need 4 cups for this recipe. Mix it with a hand mixer so it can get smooth. You can get those strings out, pour a little evaporated milk, mix it till smooth. This is when you're supposed to throw in the butter, but I forgot. You take a cup of sugar, throw in all that butter with the brown bits, and you're going to take a cup of light brown sugar pack. Mix that all in with the hand mixer until it gets smooth. Pour in a cup of evaporated milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of ginger, or add more or less to your liking. Add in a 1/4 cup of orange or pineapple juice. I promise it lightens it up. It gives it some acidity, and mix that all in until smooth. Get it tasting how you want it. Throw in 4 room temperature eggs. Mix that up. And then you're going to throw in 3 tablespoons of flour and mix that up until it's all smooth. Look how good that looks. I'm using pre-made pie dough. Make your own if you want. Pierce it with a fork and then pour your mixture in. This is making 2 pies. Actually, make a little bit more. We had some mini pies on the side, but smooth that out. And you're going to pop this in the oven for 55 minutes on 350. And you get these delicious, nutty, light, nicely spiced, delicious pies. We use some Cardi B vanilla whip shots on top, and you can use whatever you want. Try this recipe. It's amazing.